guys, I'm kinda get hungry now, man. I'll cook some food now. Yeah man. Yeah man, chef up some food now. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Guys, man, go ahead and cut up. Yes, I got a piece of meat, yeah. Ready for cut up now. Get this clean up and season up some brown stew chicken or white rice. Stay tuned for that. Yeah. Add some Maggi chicken season now. Add a pinch of salt. Add half buckle of brown into. Fully seasoned, ready for your fire. Alright, so ready for steam out. So the rice fully washed now. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. It started to get dark now, guys. Food ready, you know, people. Just have a little taste. Yes, guys, I have some ketchup on the side. Yeah, man. So the yummy, delicious, look at it. Yeah, the meat fully cooked.